There is a larger alliance which is trying to be built up against BJP. What is your say on that?
My say first is, when we are talking of healthcare, let us first talk of healthcare. हे जे लोक जे भायल्यान येता गोंया राज्यान, हांव तुका एलायन्साचेच सांगता, केन्जिलाक जाय एलायन्साची स्टोरी बरोबर सांगता हांव. एलायन्सची स्टोरी सांगता ती कशी एलायन्स आनी कितें एलायन्स ते. पयले गोष्ट म्हणजे भायले ते येता ते टीएमसी येता, आप येता, ते हिरो जाले सध्या. कोण कोण इतले व्हडले उंच बिल्डिंगेन रावताय आनी बरे बरे लक्झरी गाडी चलयताय आनी ते तुमकां घोशणान भाशणां दिता. ते मॅटर जाता एक लक्षात घेवंक जाय की प्रत्येक मनशाच्या फाटल्यान कोण ना कोण पळयत आसता कितें चल्लां ते. As AAP, what is AAP? Just because Arvind Kejriwal comes to Goa, that does not mean that people of Goa are going to vote for AAP. After the last election, after they had a debacle in the last election, AAP did not exist anywhere in the state of Goa for the last 5 years. In the last 5-6 months, you suddenly see that AAP has suddenly put his head up because they feel that anti-incumbency is there. That is their imagination, and that they may be able to pick up 1 or 2 seats in the state of Goa. AAP is not in the position to form the government, and today it is evident with one of the spokespersons of another party that has come from Bengal by saying that we will put BJP out. Let me see the desperation of coming to power. They only want to share the spoils of power. They don't know that the BJP government in the state of Goa is going to come back to power. BJP government in the state of Goa is very firmly in its saddle. Nothing is shaking us. Nothing. Their people have also tried to approach several leaders from within our setup also. Nobody is going anywhere. Because we have faith in our party, we have faith in the values and systems here, and we will fight it out, and we will fight this whole alliance together, because this alliance which you are talking of coming together, as we speak today, are on different platforms. So now, since they cannot cut ice with the people of the state of Goa, they are talking about coming together and trying to cobble up some sort of numbers which they will not achieve. As far as this party from Bengal, I thought the party from Bengal and my other friend who was with this alliance, I thought they were pretty confident. They said no alliance with anybody. The idea of this alliance itself is a failed idea, because they are unable to cut ice with the people of the state of Goa, because they are unable to fight the Bharatiya Janata Party in the state of Goa. Nobody is talking of the Congress party. I don't know where the Congress party is. I don't know, it's absolutely relegated, or where it is, I cannot say. But when you talk, their alliance per se, their motive is only to come to power. Now that AAP could not get any kind of traction in the state of Goa, since TMC and MGP could not get any kind of traction in the state of Goa, that is but obvious, answering your question, that they all want to combine, and consolidation, they say. Arey, what consolidation? Goa is not for sale. You come in 4 months and you try to say that you are trying to create some sort of thing. You work for 5 years. Do something for the people of the state of Goa. That Grah Lakshmi and all they got, and some youth card and all in your own state of Bengal. You come and plus give us statistics. What are the schemes you are running in the state of Bengal? How many schemes? Here Manohar Parrikar applied his mind. He had properly made provisions for funds so that we have Ladli Lakshmi and Grah Aadhar. After looking at our schemes, fooling the people of the state of Goa, giving forms does not mean those people will get a single rupee, because they are not going to be coming to power. As far as this alliance is concerned, please note that no alliance, this is not an alliance. This is a failure of the opposition to attract the traction of the people of the state of Goa and faith of the people of the state of Goa. People of Goa are very intelligent. People of Goa are very sensible. People of Goa are very clever, and they also know where they need to vote and which party is coming to power. As far as I am concerned, Bharatiya Janata Party will get a full-fledged majority in the state of Goa. That is frustrating the opposition, as a result of which, out of sheer, she must have not realized that she is making this statement, out of sheer frustration, they said we all will come together. That means respective parties have failed in attracting that type of traction of the people of the state of Goa. Hence, that is the combination, one from Bengal, one from Delhi, where COVID was totally mismanaged. As a result, our leader, Shri Amit Shah, had to step in and virtually save the people of Delhi. Second thing, after saving the people of Delhi, creating infrastructure, Government of India played an important role. Hence, AAP has no other thing, but they only want to survive and have that kind of a segment of those few percentage of votes to be recognized as a national party. Just because you get some votes in XYZ place, that doesn't mean that in Goa you are going to get that type of attraction. The failure of AAP to cut ice with the people of the state of Goa, failure of TMC and MGP to attract that type of attraction that they thought they would do. Failure of those leaders who joined them thinking that they could make a difference in Goa, in the politics of Goa, is virtually they have failed, and as a result of which the situation when a man like Reginald, working president, leaves the Congress party, talks about the Congress party. So if all these people have gone in different directions, all these people of Goa need to think that whether they want stability or they want these people coming from different parts. Look at the situation in Bengal. Do you know, I would like to draw your attention, do you know there was a situation when so many young small babies died in a hospital, government hospital? Did you forget? Is this government that could not save the lives of the small babies in those government hospitals in Bengal worth voting for? What is our mismanagement of COVID in Delhi? Pollution is at the highest. What is happening in Delhi? And what is happening? You suddenly parties that come after 5 years and in one after 5 years and one in 4 months thinks that they're going to do magic by just ready-made picking up people. I don't understand. People of Goa need to seriously do virtually retrospect and think whether it is worth voting for those parties or whether to stand by the Bharatiya Janata Party that has given a stable government for the last 10 years. It is easy to criticize the government, but do you think this whole combination, just now before coming here I read, somewhere it is said my friend Sudhin Dhawlikar has said that he is the Alliance Chief Minister. She contradicts by saying no, his supporters may have said it, but it is not the face of the alliance. So when so many faces are there to become Chief Minister, and here in Bharatiya Janata Party is a party of discipline, and when there are so many people there, I don't think that is a combination that people of Goa will vote.
तुम्ही म्हटले की त्यांच्यानी खोटी आश्वासन दिल्या पैसे दिले
आयन खंयचे पैसे दितात
गृहलक्ष्मी
स्वतः आयन सांगला सगळ्यांचे उजीर की स्वतःच्या राज्यात जेन्ना तुम्ही स्कीम चलू शकना, गोया राज्यात तुम्ही ते स्कीम चलू शकना, आणि अनेक ते तुम्ही जेन्ना एक मिनिट अरे हांव ताका तेजें उत्तर तरी दिता. जेन्ना हांवें सगळी स्कीम पळयली बेंगॉलाची हांगा येवपाची पयली, गृहलक्ष्मी म्हणून लोकांक पिश्यान काडटा ते, यूथ कार्ड केले म्हणून ते क्रेडिट कार्ड न्हू, नाल्यार तेंच्या सरकारांतल्यान बेंगॉलच्या हाडान घाला म्हणून सांगा पयशे, त्या भुरग्याक एक्सेस जावंक जाय कार्ड बिफोर इलेक्शन. एक मिनिट, गृहलक्ष्मी जावंक जाय बिफोर इलेक्शन. तुम्ही जोपर्यंत सरकार घडयना तोपर्यंत आमचे गोंयचे महिलाक ते 5,000 रुपया म्हयन्याक गावंक जाय, ते करू शकचे ना. बेंगॉलचे पयशे काय तुम्ही गोवा ट्रान्सफर करू शकना. आणि गोंयान आमी स्कीम चलयता, आमी स्कीम ऑलरेडी आमची इन प्लेस आहा, आमची कॉपी करून बेश्टे लोकांक दिशाभूल करपाक म्हणून हे स्कीम केल्या. लोकांक सांगता की फॉर्म भरल्यार तुमकां गावता. अरे तुमचो सरकारूच जायना जाल्यार तुमकां कशे पयशे गावतले?
माझं इनकम्प्लीट क्वेश्चन कंप्लीट करून आहे. तुम्ही त्यांची टीका केली की ते पैसे ते दिवपाक शकतात.